Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a quick little video showing you how to remove the plastidip from this front H emblem here. I've had a lot of comments, people saying they want a plastidip, but they're not sure either A, how to do it, or B, if they don't like it, does it mess up the chrome underneath, or is it hard to remove? Now the good thing about plastidip is it's actually like a protectant. So when you pull this off, the chrome will be perfect underneath. The elements haven't hit it, so it hasn't faded, nothing like that, no rock chips. So I want to show you how to do it. You either need the easiest way to do it is a blow dryer or a heat gun. I'm going to use a heat gun just because it's a little quicker. What we're really going to do is just heat it up and then use like a little pin to poke it. Now once you have it poked, it's easy, it just all comes off. It's kind of crazy how easy it is to come off, but how durable it is like this. Because I've scrubbed this thing when I wash my car, and as you can see, looks really good. I put I think 7 coats of the gunmetal on it, and then 3 coats or so of the glossifier. It gives it that shiny appearance. Really nice. I might black it out. Looks really nice too, just so it goes with the whole black theme. But let me go ahead and show you guys how to do it. It shouldn't take too long. Let me go ahead and get the heat gun and then the little tool, and I'll show you guys how to do it, okay? Okay guys, so I'm just gonna heat it up just a little bit. You don't have to go crazy here, but you just want to get it so when you fill it, it's gonna have like a little rubber texture, even more so, like a little soft, so you can put your nail into it. So I'd say heat it up if you're using the heat gun, maybe 10-15 seconds. And I'm just using this little tool, and you see I just poked it and it went right through because it's hot. Kind of crazy because when it's cold, it's really durable, but if you heat it up enough, you can actually poke right through it. And once you do that, I'm going to show you here how easy it is to just peel off. You see it there? It just peels right away. And it's the thing I like about it the most is it protects the chrome. Instead of painting it, then then the emblem, you have to buy another one. This, you can change your mind, change colors. It's neat. Look at it. And if it gives you trouble, it keeps breaking, just throw some more heat on it and it'll come off really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. Don't want to bore you. I'm going to speed this up and so you can see the final product, guys. And there it is. Took a couple minutes. All came off. There's no hard edges on it. Pulled off right around the edge, real nice. And like I said, the trick to it when you're doing it is to put more coats. The more coats you do, the easier it's going to be to remove later, and the more durable it is, believe it or not. So like I said, I did 7 coats. When I plastidip the rear ones, I did probably 7 or 8. So now you can see it looks brand new. You can leave it like that, you can choose black, whatever you want to do to it, but it's just an easy way to change the look of it, and then it's way easier than paint. It's as durable as you want it to be. It'll last 2-3 years easy, and you can always remove it. Okay guys, so I just wanted to share that with you. So if you want to change it up, how to do it, it's easy. So I hope that helps you. Customize your ride, guys, give you some ideas. Hope everyone's doing good out there. I appreciate all your support. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And I read your guys' comments. I really do. And I hope you guys have a great day.